What? Do you think smoking kills?
Yes.
Let me tell you something. More people die of diabetes than smoking. And it's about 3 times more than smoking. If I will pull a bar from my pocket, nobody will say anything. Do you know the leading cause of cancer is not smoking? It's your DNA. You could smoke for years. Nothing will happen. The whole war is against the farming of tobacco. My friends, my listeners, and my viewers, I use these arguments, and even though I made them up with 5 of my friends, they actually believe that, and 2 of them start smoking. Words, when we said and articulate in a way, they can change someone's mind. They can alter beliefs. You have to bring someone from the slums to life and make them successful person with the words. Or you can destroy someone's happiness using your words. Does it seem to be good true? A simple choice of words can make difference between accepting and denying your message. You could have a beautiful message if you phrase it good, and it can destroy something if you phrase it wrong. Let me share you a personal story. I have a 4-year-old kid who has a bad habit. He draw on walls using pencils. One evening, I walked into his room and I see he was drawing on the wall. I said, "Whoa, whoa, 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 whoa. Are you stupid? What are you doing?" And do you think what he has done? He has done again. After 7 days, I entered in the same situation once again. He was doing the same. And even he looked at me. Nobody want to be threatened. Nobody want to be intimidated. His pride would not allow. He did it again, just to spite me. Then I called him. "Sweetie, come here. Do you know that you are a big boy?" And you know what happened? He never did it again. Because the pride that he want to be a big boy. Have you ever wondered why nobody cares about global warming? Even though it's a serious threat. When scientists speak on TV, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that from the graph in 2015, the water level is rising, table shows monoxide level is ozone. This message never gets across. Yet, if you are a role model, you admired by something, whatever you will say, that could be believed, that could be used. So words are more power. I will give you another story. One of my friends named X, he loved his father. He was very close to his father. He always tried to impress for years in schooling and after schooling. He went to university. He got A's in all his subjects. He called his dad. He told him, "Dad, I got A's. Are you proud of me? Please say you are proud of me." And his father said, "I will call you back. I am busy. I am busy." The single statement that broke the back of camel. X, he started drinking, smoking, and drug. A single word changed his full life. One day, I received a call from the hospital that X is admitted in hospital due to drugs overdose. And what I can see, clear, clear, and X, he passed away. Just word, just a phrase, "I am busy." And I can see his father after that crying outside the hospital. But he lost his son with his words. So words have power. Words are power. Words would be your power. You can change the life, inspire your nation, and make world beautiful. So words can be used whatever you want. Your mouth can spit a venom. You can mend it in a beautiful way, in a beautiful phrase. They can change anyone's and your one's life. I am against the smoking. Don't smoke. Smoking is injurious to health. Don't smoke. This all I got it from a Saudi influencer who made this debate in a debate competition, and he won all this debate competition by number 1. Remember him, pray for me, see you, and focus on your words. Khuda Hafiz.